Google AI Studio is one of the most slept-on AI tools right now, completely free and far more powerful than Gemini's standard web version. If you've ever opened it, felt overwhelmed, and immediately closed the tab, this video is for you. AI Studio is essentially Google's workshop for their most advanced models. It gives you direct access to the engine that powers Gemini, but with all the controls, settings, and advanced features unlocked. It might look like a developer tool, but you don't need to be a coder to unlock its incredible potential. The interface is structured into 4 main areas, each serving a unique purpose. We'll cover Chat for advanced text and video analysis, Stream for real-time interaction, Generate Media for creating images, video, and music, and Build, where you can turn simple ideas into functional apps with natural language. By the end of this Google AI Studio tutorial, you'll be using it like a pro. Let's dive into the first section, Chat. On the surface, it looks like any other AI chatbot, but the real power is hiding in plain sight. The standout feature here is its incredible video input capability. You can upload video files directly from your computer, or even more impressively, just drop in a YouTube link. The model processes the entire video, giving you a level of analysis that is simply unparalleled. The use cases are mind-blowing. Imagine you see a viral video and want to understand its structure. You can drop the link in and ask AI Studio to reverse engineer the prompt that might have created it, breaking down the shot list, pacing, and style. You can also get instant summaries, pull exact timestamps for key moments, or extract powerful quotes without scrubbing through the footage yourself. For creators, this is a game changer. You can upload one of your own generated videos and ask the AI to compare it to the original prompt, then help you iteratively refine that prompt for a better result in the next generation. But it's not just for creative work. You can screen record a software process, upload the video, and ask it to generate a step-by-step standard operating procedure, or an SOP, complete with detailed instructions. This is perfect for creating training documentation for your team. The best part? It's not just for short clips. This works with full-length content, handling videos up to about 55 minutes long, thanks to its massive context window. Beneath the chat box, you'll find the customization settings that truly separate this from the standard Gemini experience. The model selector lets you choose between the most powerful models, like Gemini 1.5 Pro for complex tasks or 1.5 Flash for speed. You can see the token count, which is a staggering 1 million tokens. This massive context window is what allows it to analyze entire books or long videos in one go. The temperature setting controls creativity. A lower number gives more factual, predictable answers, while a higher number encourages more imaginative outputs. You can even adjust media resolution, deciding whether you want the AI to analyze every single frame for maximum detail or a smaller sample to use fewer tokens. It also has a thinking mode and budget control for more advanced projects. Beyond that, you can enable specific tools. You can ground the AI's responses with live Google search results for up-to-date information, ask for structured outputs like JSON, or even allow it to execute code. You can provide a URL for context or get into advanced function calling if you're a developer. The safety settings are also more relaxed by default, giving you more creative freedom. Finally, there are built-in productivity features like system prompts, where you can define the AI's role or personality for the entire conversation, and a brilliant compare mode that lets you see outputs from 2 different prompts side by side to find the best one. Don't forget to check the prompt gallery for some excellent preset ideas to get you started. Next up is Stream, which is where AI Studio gets truly interactive. This section allows for real-time continuous interaction using your microphone, webcam, and even your screen. Think of it as a live conversation with a supremely intelligent assistant. Using voice conversation, you can have a natural back and forth dialogue. You can ask complex questions, brainstorm ideas, or just talk through a problem without typing a single word. The response is fluid and immediate, making it feel like a genuine collaborative session. The webcam functionality opens up another dimension. Imagine you're trying to repot a plant and you're not sure what to do next. You can point your camera at the plant and Gemini can identify it, see the pot and the soil, and give you live step-by-step guidance on how to proceed. It can identify objects in your room, critique your form during a workout, or help you organize your desk. The screen share demo is where this becomes an ultimate productivity tool. If you're stuck in a software like Premiere Pro, you can share your screen and ask the AI to guide you through the process of creating a specific effect. If you're a coder, it can look at your code in real time and help you debug it. As a designer, you could share a website mockup and get an instant UX critique. It's an incredible tool for troubleshooting, hands-on learning, and real-time collaboration. The only caveat is that while it's great for immediate assistance, it's best used as a supplement to structured learning, not a complete replacement. It will help you solve a problem now, but it won't give you the deep foundational knowledge a full course would. The third section, Generate Media, is a complete creative suite powered by Google's latest models. The image generation here uses the Imagen 4 model, which is incredibly powerful. It has fantastic prompt adherence, meaning it actually creates what you ask for. It's also surprisingly good at rendering legible text within images, which is something many other models struggle with. The creative outputs are top tier, capable of producing stunning and highly detailed visuals. Then there's video generation, currently powered by the VO2 model. You can animate existing images, bringing them to life, or generate short video clips directly from a text prompt. It's still in its early stages, so you're limited to 4 free generations per day, but it's a fantastic way to experiment with text-to-video technology. The suite also includes powerful image editing tools. You can upload one of your own photos or use an image you just generated, and then perform edits with simple text prompts. You can remove unwanted objects from a scene, change the color of a car, or add details that weren't there before. This integrated workflow of generating and then immediately editing is incredibly efficient, but media generation isn't limited to visuals. The speech generation tool offers high-quality text-to-speech that sounds remarkably natural. You can choose from multiple speakers, customize their style and tone, and create professional-sounding voiceovers for your projects. Finally, and this is truly unique, there's music generation with Lyria Real-Time. This isn't just about typing a prompt and getting a song. It's an interactive music creation tool. You can start with a basic idea and then adjust genres, instruments, and styles in real time, essentially collaborating with the AI to compose a piece of music live. Now for the fourth section, Build, which is where Google AI Studio truly democratizes creation. This feature allows you to build simple applications, games, and tools using nothing but natural language. You describe what you want, and the AI writes the code to make it happen. For example, you could create a code drawing app. You start by sketching a rough idea, then you write a prompt describing what you want it to look like, and the AI will generate a refined, high-quality design based on your input. Or you could ask it to build a flashcard generator for studying, and it will create a simple, functional app that lets you input questions and answers. The examples can get even more fun. You could tell it to create a mini game, like a Pac-Man clone with Ozzy Osbourne collecting bats. The AI writes the code, creates the assets, and gives you a playable game. The real power is in the iterative coding process. The AI generates the initial code, and if there's a bug or you want changes, you just tell it. You can say, the score isn't updating, fix it, or make the enemies move faster, and the AI updates the code. Once satisfied, you can publish and share it with a generated link so friends can try your custom app or game. This lowers the barrier to creation, letting anyone bring ideas to life. Now, let's wrap up with the pros, a caveat, and resources. Google AI Studio is completely free, truly multimodal across text, images, audio, and video, and its 1 million token limit is far beyond most tools. Its deep video understanding and real-time collaboration through Stream make it versatile for creatives and professionals. The main caveat, Google uses your data and interactions to train its models. That's standard for free AI services, but important to note, for more, check out HubSpot's free Gemini Marketing Stack Guide and Futurepedia's AI courses. Thanks for watching this Google AI Studio tutorial. Subscribe if you found it helpful, comment what you're building, and if you make the Ozzy Osbourne game, let me know if you can beat my Pac-Man score. All resources are linked in the description.